Bola.
Talk.
Hi guys, we are going to the beach.
Something.
Hi guys, we are in Ustka. We are going to the beach. We are almost there. Alright. Come along with us. I'm with my friend and my husband.
I was given one job and I could not do this job. I failed terribly
Yes.
doing this job. So
Yes.
I have to make amends.
Say hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
This is the Hey guys, today we are going to the beach. I'm taking my friend around. Oh, I'm taking her to the beach today. So guys, we have to park the car and go with the train because there is traffic. You know, this is summer and a lot of traffic. People are on vacation, so there is no road. We have to go by train, and right now we are at the train station.
Yeah.
To jest mój mąż, moja siostra.
Mwah.
See my fine friend. Hello. My beauty.
we're going to the beach.
Yes.
Let's go to the beach.
Yeah.
Let's go to the beach.
It's hot though.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope it will be air.
No.
No, there's nothing like that.
Oh. TikToks? No. On the beach. But I wanted to take a tripod from the trunk of the car. It's small.
You can charge your phone now.
Not fine.
Hi guys, welcome to Bola.
Talk.
Hi guys, we are going to the beach.
No. Hey guys, so we just landed in Ustka. See, a lot of people. Piękna. Piękna. Beautiful, yes. They also say in Polish. My husband will explain. Say hello.
Something.
Hi guys, we are in Ustka. We are going to the beach. We are almost there. Alright. Come along with us. I'm with my friend and my husband.
Outfit check. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I make you here.
No, one photo first before the video. Okay. Push it to photo.
You see how people are smiling and looking and
They're
stuff?
really nice.
Yes.
Now the video.
Okay. You going to my husband's back again?
I wait for him to remain with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, you want to record, yes?
Yes.
So sorry. guys.
Go.
I thought you would finish.
No.
Hi guys, come with me to Poland.
You are in Poland. Take this phone.
I was given one job and I could not do this job. I failed terribly
Yes.
doing this job. So
Yes.
I have to make amends. Okay, now stop.
Oh my God. But I don't
can
know
record
which
you.
phone I was holding.
I can record. Now it's video.
Now it's video, yeah.
Yeah.
This is our ice cream joint I always post. And this is our church.
The church.
Yes.
It's a Catholic church.
Yes.
Ah, that's nice.
You know, Pope is from Poland, so Catholic Church is a lot here.
Yeah. No, Pope is from the current Pope.
No, no.
The one who, yeah.
Pope John Paul II
John Paul II.
Yeah.
was from Poland. I stopped
Okay, good.
because of this video.
Yeah, but for me, as long as it's just a small one, it's okay. So let me
Boutique.
make a video of you, a small one. From that, you know, you've recorded us, so I also have to record you with your husband when you're walking in front. Yes. You don't want?
I want.
Here I can buy souvenirs or what?
Yes.
Because you know I need souvenir from Poland to send to my father-in-law.
Ah,
So I don't know if
they have Gdańsk. Like something like this, you put on the fridge? No.
anything that is a souvenir, something for an old man.
Okay.
But we'll check later, yeah?
Yes, we
Okay.
can ask
Okay.
what we can get.
Okay. Hi. Come with us to the beach.
Yes.
Thank you.
My love, I am struggling.
Give
with
me
my-
a hand.
For the moment.
He's going inside to do something. What about that other shop? That was there.
Yes, they all sell,
ones,
and
this
we will see more. If,
Okay.
yes, but later we can go.
Look at the color contrast.
Wow.
Yes, in the sun it's really nice with this phone. It's really nice with the. You don't even need to
Hey, I wish I took picture like this.
you can make if we find another place where you want, we can make with my
Okay.
phone. You see, in the sun it's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can sit there, yeah.
What did you water? Hey.
Water at the beach. Eh?
Jeez.
Let's
This bag now with here. You see, it's with here. Oh.
no,
want
we'll
to
see
put
how we
here.
are going to put it.
Okay. Solution must.
Yeah. You see, I was solved. Your husband solved my iPhone problem.
Solution master.
Spokojnie, spokojnie.
Spokojnie, daj mi spokój. Then I said, Kruva, that boy in front of,
Yeah.
on your back was laughing and looking at me and laughing.
Really?
He laughed so much when I said curva match. I pity this bag.
Solution.
Like market women.
As Africans, we can laugh and people will be like, who are those mad women? Who are these mad women? Yeah.
That's why I want.
Yeah. So that you are not associated to mad women.
No one will connect me. So it's called stop minder.
My love, she said the hair is beautiful and clean. Yes. She needs to get, yeah.
She needs normally visa.
Yes.
Yes. UK left EU.
Being is the Schengen area. Never.
But they left the European Union.
Yes.
Oh, we are resting.
Yeah. Yeah.
They give you free ice cream to try.
Thank you. Say something.
Hi guys, we are resting. We rest and continue. We are almost at the beach. Take me pictures.
At the moment we are here where this church is, yeah?
Yes.
Here.
Yes. This
Okay.
was church.
Okay.
See this one?
Yeah,
It was there. Yes.
yeah. Ustka 2019.
2019, yeah.
That is from old. Yes.
Yes.
1819.
On
Century.
18, okay.
Punchki. You want to try punchki? No, you try Goffrey. Goffrey. I'm speaking Igbo for you. Some children, they said, wow, wow, they're looking at you, wow, oh my God. You see, this one's also. Hi.
You remember you were on this bridge?
Yes,
before?
yes.
Yeah. I saw on YouTube.
Yes.
At least I have sandals, so I don't have a.
You will see a lot of nyashu.
Did they close this part?
I don't know.
Because they make renovation.
Oh, they make renovation. A lot of people. Woo.
Now you see how it looks.
Yeah.
This is the. They will stop me from recording. I have to stop, yes?
Why?
People are naked.
Give me this.
I just want to show how it's looking.
I'll give you a special.
giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain.
This boy is always here.
Which one?
So, you can do it. I'm telling you. You can make a lot of money. Because when you start working 9 to 5, it will choke.
Yeah, that's
This one they put in the wrap also.
yeah. You can wrap it. Or...
So can you say something? How was the Godfrey?
It was nice. It was my first time, and I
You
enjoyed
finished it.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. It was nice.